So this is my 2005 Honda Civic LX. It's got the headers, then right up under here, it's got a throttle spacer right there. Then it's got a short ram air intake on it. I still got plans for it and shit. I'm trying. It's got a, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a D17 A1 right here. No, y'all can't see that. Alright, well anyways, it's a D17 A1 motor. Then I got a light bar on front of it. And I'm thinking about carrying this all the way back. Matty black hood. And back here on the back, this is a DC Sport muffler right here. I mean, it sounds pretty good. I don't know if y'all can hear that. But my plans for my car is try to get at least 450 horses out of it. But I mean, y'all see how clean I'm in the process of getting it clean. I know it's not the cleanest, but that's what I'm working on mainly, trying to get it clean. It's real hard to get it clean. I know some of y'all can tell me that much. Like I said, it's a work in progress. Everybody don't realize it takes time, progress, and all that. And later on today, sometime probably, I'm gonna try to get some test runs with a DC Sport muffler, and I'll upload them for y'all. All right.